Atu, I welcome you all. Me mamunyina kwaba ene ye babe ye akurase Abunabunu Nkwan. Yes, everything is ready. The ajogu, the apotoyuwa ni nyina, everything is ready. So the ingredient that you may need are on your screen. Smoked catfish, salmon, and wa. The enwa, no, some people don't eat it. It is a matter of choice. According to your faith, Kobe tea, Kontomire, then let's get started. First, we are going to wash the kontomire. You have to wash the kontomire well because eya edura na juwa fuom hwa wansare nkusie ni nkrantie ombobo woso ombobo nyina na omutitibiwe. After washing the kontomire well, we are going to cook it with the pepper and with the turkey berry. As for today, Nkwa, dear, please, I'm going to enjoy this food with you. If you don't eat, I will not eat. I have washed the turkey berry. I'm adding it to the kontomire and then I'm adding my meko or pepper. As for the pepper, dear, please add the pepper according to how you want to visit the White House or the washroom. After washing it, we are going to cook it. While cooking it, we are going to slice or chop the onions that we are going to use to steam the enamno. I sliced one big onion and a small grenade to steam the enamno. We have two types of abunabunu. This type that I'm preparing is type 1. It is made of dried fish, snails, mushrooms, etc. And we have the authentic original one made with akrantie bean, or wansan bean. That one is very typical village soup. I added 3 garlic to the sliced onion as natural spice. After slicing the onions, I'm washing the enamno and I'm washing the kobe tino. I made this kobe by myself. If you want to know how to make your own kobe at home, go to YouTube and type Safubafu Kobe. So I'm adding the sliced onions and the garlic to it. After that, add salt to it. The salt for seasoning the enamel has to be plenty small. After adding the salt, I have added the onion, 1 big onion, and then 3 fresh tomatoes. After putting everything into the cooking pot, we are adding water to steam it. Because we are steaming it, we don't need more water. Add only little water. Now the kontomire has been cooked, so the enamel is next. Ebi kone ebi ba. Kontomire no banana enamel so ko. So now we are going to blend it or tree it in ayuwa. The choice is yours. I wanted things to be fast, so I used the blender. I blended everything with the water I used to cook it. Now everything is ready. Hey, Kwame Nkrumah no so abro. So when Kwame Nkrumah wanted to eat abunabunu, afena fatia fata Nkrumah ebetwi we nyina wa ayuwa mu. Hey, we de munkafra. After blending the kontomire, the pepper and the turkey berry, the fish is still steaming. So we are preparing the mushroom while steaming the fish. The mushroom, you have to wash it well. Nowadays, all the foods are made or grown with fertilizers. So after washing the mushroom, I'm preparing the okro. Abunabunu without okro. No. So the fish has been steamed well, and I'm adding the blended kontomire, pepper and the turkey berry. After adding the blended kontomire, add little water according to how you want the thickness of the soup to be. Cover it and let it boil. When it starts boiling, add the mushroom to it. After adding the mushroom, cover it and let it boil again. Abunabunu Nkwan without Prɛkɛsɛ. No way. Now it is time for Prɛkɛsɛ. Before you add the Prɛkɛsɛ, wash it and then roast it or totoni kakra so that the scent would come into the soup well. After it has been boiled for a while, Now it is time to blend the onion, the tomatoes, and then we are going to blend 1 or 2 mushrooms together with it. The onion, it is advisable to use 2 big onions. I added 1 again behind the scene. Now we are going to blend our tomatoes, onion, and the mushroom together. After blending everything together, add it to the soup. If you sense that the soup is getting ready, then you add your okro. Don't add the okro in temper. If you do that, ebehono. Hey, safu bafo, wanu hunye no. Ese wasati ifu aboju se. Hey, ende mi nyino. Ebe kakrana me kwa minkokra bobrem. I couldn't get snail for this soup, but through faith, Abraham received the blessing of God. So through faith, the snail sent they inside the soup. Today, I'm going to eat with you. If you don't come, I'm not going to eat. Please come. Come and let's eat. Oh, I'm sleeping now. I'm waiting for you. Please come. Safo Company Limited. Quality with affordability. Yeah.